I know someday we could finally be. I know someday we could finally be. I know someday we could finally be.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. Take a little sit here in the Integra. My son is trying to go to sleep in the house, so I'm gonna be filming out here. I'm just gonna do a little recap on where things stand. Oh, I'll just get out of the snow here for a minute. Alrighty, y'all, so it is cold as shit. You guys can click the link above and see what's been going on with my Civic if you haven't seen. Basically, to sum it up, my head gasket blew a long time ago and I was neglecting to fix it, and I finally got around to fixing it. So in the most recent debacle in this thing, I got everything cleaned up and ready to put back on. I went to put my intake manifold back on and I was tightening one of the screws. Then my rocker arm assembly snapped on the side of the cam sprocket. Right, just snapped clean off. I don't know what happened. I just was tightening the bolt and heard a tink, and then boom, cracked. So I don't know if I can save this. I assume I can just put a new rocker arm assembly on, but I couldn't even find one of those for sale on Amazon, eBay, nothing. There's nothing used. So I'll probably have to hit up a junkyard if I'm gonna do that. I assume I can just bolt one of those on. But at this point, I'm wondering like whether it's worth it. I plan on building the car in a month, and as you can see, like, I'm not gonna be able to drive it anyway right now. So do you guys think I should just pull the bottom end and start building it? Or do you think I should buy a used rocker arm assembly to go on my head for a month? I just don't know. I hate making these videos with no progress. So I hope you liked that little intro there. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Helps your boy out. I just blew past 1,000, about to, well, 1,060 at this point. So huge shout out to every single one of you. You guys are fucking awesome. Drop me a comment below and let me know that you guys subscribed. I always respond and I do appreciate it. It's just really fun talking with you guys. What do you guys think? Should I pull the engine on the Civic and build the bottom end with the pistons and all that shit, have it cleaned up and put a new clutch in and do the transmission? And that would probably have the car down until like January, February. Or I can go out and I can try and buy what I need to fix this head and have the car running in a couple weeks. So I'm actually gonna leave it up to you guys. Let me know in the comment section below whether you think that I should pull the rest of the engine and start my rebuild process, or do you think I should just get back on the road and hoon it a little bit and have some fun with it before I rebuild it? Because at this point it's really 6 1/2 dozen. So I'm really just alrighty guys, well, it's super cold. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below what you think I should do, whether I should start a full rebuild right now or not. I'm down either way. Thank you for watching. Be well, inspire others, pay your taxes. Peace out, Cub Scouts.